Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to do another feather family review about the new bird that came out maybe a week ago now or something like that, the hawk. So I'm just going to the top of this mountain. Oh god, someone's following me. Okay. So I think it costs maybe 400 or 300 feathers. So if you go to unlockables, you go down. It should be here somewhere. Yeah, the hawk. And so this is the baby. I actually have not played as the hawk yet, so this is my first time. Its walk is a bit wonky. Its run is a bit bad. Oh my god. What is that? Anyways, this is the sit. The eat goes a bit too far into the ground. The hurt, I have to say they could have done better work on it. The eyes, yeah. Okay, hopefully the adult is better. Okay, so I don't know if you guys know, but the falcon in this game looks basically identical to this. The call is amazing. The walk is good. The run is, I don't even know what to say about that. The sit is normal. Yeah, the eat is not bad. I think they copied this from another bird. I don't know which one though, but I remember there was a bird that looked like this when it was doing its hurt. The display, oh my, oh, it's probably one of the worst displays I've seen. I guess if you're doing an RP, you can say he's like saying go away, go away, go away. Okay, this is the preen. Not bad. The eyes okay, and the flying is it's a bit slow. Yeah, okay, but the glide is amazing. Okay, so overall I'm gonna rate the hawk out of 10 or out of 100. I'm gonna give it maybe a 45 because of this. I don't know. Yeah, that's it. Okay, see you next time.